is Lila, and I'll be showing you about the Science Observatory about rocks, heat, and soil. Our class is doing it this year, so the third grade would be down in our tool shed. Follow me. Let's see what's inside of our boxes. Rocks, heat, soils. Down here we have the toolbox. I'm just going to move it right here. Let's see what's inside of our rocks box. We have our Rock On Play Collection Learn Smile game. It's this rock game where you match all the rocks together. Let's put this right here. Then we have our rock observatory. Now let's see what our observatory notebook has inside. These are the rocks with letters of the alphabet on them. Write the name of the mineral on your paper. Then, when you are done, please put the rocks back with the letter facing up. On the top of our lid, we have our rock box supply list. A bin of rocks to observe, a bin of minerals to observe, types of rock sort, research the information rock cycle, research information types of rock, and rock on geology game. This, the one my friend Charlie bought for school. Now let's look at our heat box. Put the rocks back. Inside this, we have this laminated game. It's conductor and insulator sort. Then we have this notebook. Let's see what's inside. This is the Observatory Notebook of Heat. Tyler wrote this. Conductors. Thermal energy of heat travels through them. Quickly are called conductors. Okay. Insulators. Substances that do not allow heat to travel through them easily. Now this is what we have on the lid. Research information, conductors and insulators. Conductor and insulator sort. That is the game. Now let's get our soil box down. Okay. Up. Inside we have an observatory notebook. This is all the tools that you can look through soil on the front. This was written by Russell. Then we have these. I don't want to take these out because they can get pretty messy, but there are rock map task cards. Not soil. And these are the directions. Soil box supply list. Soil matching game. Soil task cards. Research and information of types of soil. And that's what we have in our Science Observatory closet. This is all the open space that we have in our sanctuary. But soon it'll all be filled up with benches on our exhibition night. Then there will also be seats and more observatory stuff. Thank you for watching.